and today on the program we continue to keep our focus on the Unnao rape case and the injustice that has followed. Now, we showed you all through yesterday and before that on what the survivor really had to say. She went on record to say that she will self-immolate if he, that is Kuldeep Sengar, walks out free. We got you the entire timeline. We heard from various stakeholders in this case as well. Now, the latest in the story is that CBI has now said that they will be filing an appeal against the order which gave bail to Kuldeep Sengar. How exactly does this work and how much are we to rely on what the CBI is saying? What exactly are the chances in a higher court in this regard? Joining me is my colleague Anisha. But before we go to Anisha, let's quickly take a look at what this case is all about and what the latest updates are.
The Delhi High Court's decision to suspend the life sentence of former BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar in the 2017 Unnao rape case has sent shockwaves across the nation. And now the Central Bureau of Investigation is moving swiftly. The CBI has studied the court order and will approach the Supreme Court with a special leave petition at the earliest. The move comes amid massive public outcry demanding justice for the survivor. Just a day after being dragged out from India Gate during protest, the survivor met Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi at 10 Janpath. She revealed that both Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi were moved to tears after hearing her harrowing account. She has appealed to the Prime Minister, the Home Minister and the President to meet her and hear her grievances.
और मैं तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर से भी मिलने को बोला है और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री से मिलने को बोला है, माननीय अमित शाह जी से मिलने को बोला है, जो मुझे देश की सुरक्षा सीआरपीएफ की दे रखी है, माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय जी से, द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी से मिलने के लिए बोला है ताकि हमसे मिले। वो एक लेडीज हैं, एक लड़की का दर्द समझेंगी कि उसके साथ में कैसे अन्याय हुआ है।
The survivor also alleged the 2019 road crash was a deliberate attempt by Sengar's aides to end her life and close the case.
मैं सबसे क्योंकि मेरे साथ में रेप किया, उसके बाद मेरे पिता को मार दिया गया जी। 2019 मेरा एक्सीडेंट कराया गया और उनकी मौसी जो सरोज दीदियां हैं, उनकी मौसी बोल रही मेरा बेटा निर्दोष है। और रोड एक्सीडेंट तो बहुत सारे होते हैं, तो रोड एक्सीडेंट नहीं, वो एक्सीडेंट कराया गया था ताकि हम मर जाएं और केस खत्म हो जाए।
She claimed that she sought Rahul Gandhi's help to relocate to a Congress-ruled state, fearing for her life and the security of her family.
क्या आपको डर है कि सेंगर कहीं भी पहुंच सकते हैं?
जी, हमें डर है, सेंगर कहीं भी पहुंच सकते हैं और कहीं भी मरवा सकते हैं। अब मेरी रोजी रोटी बंद हो गई है क्योंकि मेरे हस्बैंड ड्यूटी नहीं जा पा रहे हैं। मेरे बच्चे हैं दो, एक 1 साल का बच्चा है, एक 2 साल का बच्चा है। मेरी सास विकलांग है, परिवार में कोई सदस्य नहीं रह गया। मेरे पापा की 13वीं नहीं हुई, मेरी चाची की 13वीं नहीं हुई। मेरे घर में 3-3 13वीं पड़ी हुई हैं। उनको बराबर पैरोल बेल मिलती रही, लेकिन मेरे चाचा को पैरोल बेल नहीं दी गई क्योंकि इतना पावरफुल इंसान है कि पैसा कोर्ट को दे देता है, कोर्ट बेल देती ही नहीं है।
The nation watches, anger and outrage mounting as the fight for justice continues. For the survivor of Unnao, every moment counts. With Nalini Sharma and Himanshu Mishra in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right. So that was the entire recap of what's been happening on the story so far. Let's get in a word with my colleague Anisha, who joins us live now. Anisha, help us understand how this case is expected to unfold from now on. If CBI is at the moment saying that they will be filing an appeal, what does that mean and what exactly are the timelines looking like?
Well, Sonal, first of all, let's look at it this way. The CBI has, in fact, made a statement to the media that they will be filing an appeal, as has the victim in this particular case. The girl and her family have also said that they will be moving the Supreme Court. Now, what exactly is going to happen in the Supreme Court? Let's look at it this way. The High Court is hearing Sengar's appeal against his conviction, and while that appeal is being heard, his sentence has been suspended, which means that if he was not already convicted in another case and serving a 10-year sentence, he would have been allowed to walk out of jail. The petition that has to be filed now by the CBI will have to assail the legal reasons why the High Court decided to grant suspension of sentence. And that is also something that has raised a lot of eyebrows. What the High Court has said is that because Section 5 of the POCSO Act, which is the child sexual abuse law, defines that aggravated sexual assault, which carries a life imprisonment, has to be is defined by as an act done by a public servant or a police official or an armed forces official. And Sengar, being an MLA, does not come within the legal definition of a public servant. So that is where this entire question comes in. The High Court has also said that it may look into the question of the age of the victim. So with all of that, now the CBI has a very clear line of argument that it will have to take before the Supreme Court. That this argument should not have been taken because he has been convicted under Section 5 of the POCSO. The bigger problem right now, Sonal, is also that the rape law itself needs this relook. Why is it that the MLAs and the MPs who are the ones, who are the legislators, who create these laws, whether it is the POCSO Act or the newly changed Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the legal definition of public servant, so to speak, under the criminal laws has not been expanded. So all of that is something that we'll need to see how this works out. The CBI has its work cut out for it, because especially since the victim has been saying clearly that she does feel a threat. She was under CRPF, she is under CRPF security right now. Back to you.
Got it. Well, politicians made the law, so only they can tell us why this definition was not included, and only they can tell us why they've been so lenient amongst their own community. Well, that's a story that we'll be pursuing. Thanks, Anisha, for joining us.